That. Can you see that? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my 4th video. Today we're bringing to you some Indian food, right? This is one of my favorites. I only usually get like tikki, I think it's chicken tikki masala, and that's like a tomato cream sauce. But today I'm trying, it's called butter chicken. I never had this one, and I just wanted to try something this looks really good too. I have some, I don't know how to pronounce this word, and if I butcher it, that's my fault, my bad. I think it's called like tandoori. Is it tandoori chicken? I don't know. I've been seeing this. It just looks so seasoned. They got some other pieces. Look like the breast piece. That looks really good. So, it comes with some, yeah, I have no idea. I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but it looks like a green sauce. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of sauce that is. Maybe like a chili sauce, some type of chili sauce. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. Maybe. Let me see. Let me see what it tastes like with some chicken. Right? I'll put a little bit. Alright, so anyway, I never had this chicken either, but the chicken seemed cool. I got 2 things of rice. I just put them all right here. I'm gonna just put some of this on there like that. Can you see that? Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna just put some on my rice right here. Just drizzle it on there. So it. Okay, let's see. Butter chicken. This is butter chicken. Okay. It's definitely different. If I had to choose between which one is my favorite, I'm going to have to choose the chicken tikki masala. It's still good though. This is the garlic naan bread. It's so fucking hot in here. You're supposed to dip this sauce in here like so. Just eat it. Look at that. Let me try this. It was lacking something a little bit. I was hungry. It's bomb. It's a piece of chicken, and I'm about to pick up a piece of chicken and eat it with some chicken. It's stupid, huh? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Right here we got the world's coldest water bottle. Straight from Fred Meyer. Well, straight from my refrigerator. That's how I got cold, but you know, from Fred Meyer. Yeah, I wonder if I get some chicken on this bread. Got me a little piece of chicken on there. I like onions, so I'm gonna eat some onions in here. They raw onions though. I think these was on a skewer because it looked like it had a hole down the middle of all of them, all the pieces. It's a little dry though, but you know we'll make it do what it do. I don't know how good y'all seeing that, but what a bite. That's bomb. So anyway, let me know down below what's your favorite Indian food. I think right now my favorite got to be the chicken tikka masala, only because I have not really explored you know, many other foods. Tonight's like my first time trying butter chicken, and this is my first time trying this chicken, but it just looks so good. You know, I don't know, I guess it's just the coloring that made it, you know, appealing. But to be honest, this chicken, let me see one more time. Yeah, it's lacking flavor a little bit, you know. this color makes me think that it's gonna have so much flavor. In reality, it's really don't have that much. But it's cool though. It's good. Like I just needed like a little bit more salt. So we're gonna dip it in the sauce. Which is cool. Would I get that again? Probably not, but you know. Now that I've tried it, I know that now, you know? See, I never knew what it tasted like before. They just got raw chopped onions underneath. So, I'm just gonna eat them. They there, I'm gonna eat them. I like onions. They there. My nose is itching. So yeah, I've been trying to find that hold on. That igisu soup, the African soup. I think it is. I think it's African. I'm not sure. But they got that soup. I've been trying to get it. That's what I really want to try, but it's hard to find. Yeah, I like the tomato, I think they're both tomato based, but whatever herbs and spices are in the chicken tikka masala, that one's way better. I already said that, but I said it again. You know, like I said earlier, the chicken was a little drizzy. So, oops. I think it's like, you know, it's chicken. I think it's chicken breast though. Chicken on top of chicken. Yeah, I can live without this green sauce. I'm not really feeling that. Got a little towel over here for my hand. Again, the coldest water bottle right here. You see that condensation? So I'm trying to come up with like topics, you know, to discuss, talk about, whatever while I'm on here. But I'm one of the people like I like to concentrate on eating versus talking. But I guess I got to get in the habit of that, you know, to entertain y'all motherfuckers. Ooh, excuse me. But yeah, this was amazing. I love and I enjoy the different herbs in Indian food, you know, and spices. That's hella bomb. I need to get my hands on some different type of like Caribbean food. I just want to try everything, but I don't really do raw foods or nothing like that. I'm not a fan of that. I don't mess around with that raw food. I don't. Like why? This is bomb. You know, I got this somewhere. It wasn't local. I got it DoorDash to me. It probably was about, I don't know, 20 minutes from my house. So, it wasn't that far. It was drivable. But, there wasn't a lot of Indian places in my area, so. Indian cuisine places, let me correct myself. For y'all try to come for me. So, yeah. So anyway, I hope y'all had a good time with me. I had a good time. I enjoyed myself. I put the onion in there. You know. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I mean, you made it all the way through. Might as well come kick it with your new boo. It's like, I'm so corny. This is as authentic as it's gonna get. I don't portray to be nobody, you know, that I ain't. I eat how I really eat off this motherfucking camera, as I would on, you know. Ain't no need to be anybody else other than yourself. That shit's crazy. People really just be hella fake. Ooh. I mean, I guess you have to be fake sometimes, but it's not called for every all day. Every day, all day, you know? So anyway, hit subscribe, come tap back in, cause I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I have no idea. I might want to cook something. I half-ass know how to cook, you know. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, and y'all have a blessed night, okay?